Okay, so atong daon karon is kanang guess the sound. But before that, let me introduce you our players. First,
I'm Trixie Ann. I'm Carlin, and
we are
the
the
team R.
I am Ashley.
I am Michaela.
And we are the team
Meow.
Okay. So, how to play? First, kanang one player, each team kay nay usa mag blindfold. Then their partner will make a sound, any sound. Then the blindfolded player must find their partner by following the sound. The first pair to find their partner kay mao ang daog. So, let's start. Wait,
Start na
Isa.
day.
Day asa dapit day.
Go!
Asli asa ka Ash?
Second round is all player kay mag-blindfold na. Ay.